Hello everybody, it's your Lucky Mickey here. Welcome back to another video. So guys, today I okay, I'm gonna lower my trigger because okay. Anyways, welcome back to the video. So guys, I just got the Clydesdale I just got the Clydesdale horse. I'm happy about that. You know, I can finally go to the horse only party, so I can get this Gucci um elf ankle bracelets or whatever those things are called. You know what I'm talking about, y'all. So yeah, so guys, I just want to say that I got hacked on my other accounts, but this is not what the video's for. We should just have some fun. Play games. Just kind of myself to sleep because I got hacked. So yeah, so guys, I did get hacked, which is pretty sad. I had the account for a while, and now look at that, I got hacked. Totally was not expecting that, and I did not give out my password to anyone. Or did I? Just kidding, I didn't give it out to anyone. So this is what happens when when you just do things. I just don't know what. Yo, these shirts are like so weird on the animals. Magenta fairy. Oh my god, yes. So I already have an item. I already have an item. Let's get a back item. Let's get that tuxedo. Yes, yes. Need those wings on. Ooh, wear high top sneakers. Yes, yes, me work it, work it. Yes. So yeah, this is my Clydesdale horse. It's really cool. Yes, I know. Oh, I'm tired. I love my wonderful character. I forgot that the old bard is back. Yay. Them beaters. Yay! Okay, so the old barn is back. Go check out that good old barn now. Okay, let's buy a new dad. Oh, what that for old barn? Different. Wonderful. Oh god, okay guys. I was like totally like fake crying. I'm like literally crying so happy. Ow! Okay, sorry about that. But that is what happens when I fake cry. I literally cry. And then I just die. So yeah. Fun fact about me, guys. So this is a nice den that I made. It's a beautiful. It is beautiful. I got the basket of candy too, yo. It's every day, bro, with that Disney Channel for 5 million on YouTube for 6 months. Never done before. Plus, all the competition, man, beauty pie, sex, and I'm popping all these chicks. Got the brand new Rolex, and I got the lemon too. And it's a team tab. Who the hell when you? Woo. I'm dead. Boogie, boogie, boogie. No! I'm needing this. I have a bull for mannequin now. So bullful, bullful. Here we go. Oh, here's my other mannequin. So I move this one over. I'm gonna put this one over here. And now, let me see, do I have any snow leopards? I think I might have one snow leopard. I'm not too sure. So guys, I really don't know what this video is just gonna be, me doing some stuff. Let me see if I have a snow leopard. I'm pretty sure I do, and if I do, I'm just gonna copy that outfit. That's what I do a lot. I just copy my outfits. Snow leopard, snow leopard, snow leopard. Yay! Okay. So I'm going to recreate this outfit on the here. Beautiful. So I am a beige. I am a I'm beige. I don't know what a beige is. Beige. Beige. What are you, beige? Beige. Beige. Okay, beige. beige, and like sort of darker beige. I think it might be this one. Unless it's like that, like that. I'm guessing. I'm not 100% sure. I have like no idea what colors I chose. Wait, hold on. I forgot. I could just go here. I could go here. Go over here. So, oh, okay, so it's that one and then that one. Gotcha. It's this one and this one. Okay, perfect. And then I need the girl eyes. Like that. Then I need, no, I need the patterns. That's just like weird without no patterns. Then I need orange. Then I need my spikes. Spikes. And then I need my wings. Wings. Perfect. Twinsies. Yes. Twinsies. Oh wait, no, wait, what is the orange? There we go. That's better. I thought, yeah, I knew something was missing. Twinsies, twinsies, they come farewell. So guys, I'm actually, I'm going to be continuing my famous Jammer drawing. So I'm gonna draw Swarm today. So let's do that. I am not gonna art. So, okay, how about no? How about I just draw, specs? I need like a magenta color. Perfect. Beautiful. So beautiful. Just like that. Beautiful. 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 And guys, I'm not good at art. You could probably tell by this terrible thing. Go. Okay. Yikes. Okay. That does not look okay, but we can work with it. And let's just write spikes. Oof. Yikes. Um, um, I needed the white. I needed the white. I need the white. Buffo. Buffo. I got that magenta spike. That terrible, terrible magenta spike that I have created. Actually, now it actually doesn't look that bad colored. I need like a lighter magenta color. Like that to like go around. Okay, and then you like a grayish color. Like not too dark of a gray and not too light. So maybe like that. Go like, here. Oh wait, no, it has to be skinnier. Let's make it skinnier like that. There, 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 there. Okay, guys, just so you know, it would mean a lot if you guys could like help me out from the twins that I got hacked. It would mean a lot for some donations. My account name is Snickers though. I will put it down. I'll put the name down in the description. I'll put the name down in the description below, so then you guys can see what I'm talking about. So now I need orange because I have an orange spike wristband. Wrist, I think wristband. Okay, Now I need my circle. This one has to be a little bit smaller. To right, the right, right, left to left, left. Okay, that's too small. Let's make it a little bit bigger. To right, the right, right, to left, lefty, lefty, left. Oh, that should be good. And then color this in orange. I'm your dad. Boogie, woogie, woogie. You're my dad. Boogie, woogie, woogie. Let's make this bigger. Okay. So now I need like grayish white. Yo. I can draw the spike since it is a long spike wristband. Okay, let me get orange again. And like outline the outside of it. Perfect. I'll like patch it up all around the side. Okay, you know that works. And then I need my grayish color again. Oh god, that last time was terrible. Here we go. Here's that item. Cosmos frame, Liar's frame, Peck's frame, Sir Gilbert's frame, Carnival frame! Yay! Let's do the gold. Ooh, actually from far away, that actually looks really good. Okay, let's buy the 10 item. So right. Yay! It's now a 10 item! 10 item! 10 item! Okay guys, so that's really it for today. So I'm going to do this video right after this one. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!